In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Clipchamp using Google. Whether you're a content creator looking to dive into video editing or just someone wanting to learn a new skill, Clipchamp offers a user-friendly platform to help you bring your video projects to life. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Clipchamp. It's a powerful online video editor that simplifies the editing process and helps you create professional-looking videos from the comfort of your web browser. All you need is a device with internet access. Fire up your preferred browser and type in the URL for Clipchamp. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage filled with plenty of tools and resources specially designed to make your editing journey effortless and enjoyable. Next, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. Usually, this button is prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be greeted with a few options for signing in. Clipchamp provides a variety of sign-in methods to suit your convenience. You can choose to continue with Microsoft, through email, with Google, or even via your school email if you're using Clipchamp for educational purposes. If you're like many of us, using your Google account might be the quickest and easiest way to get started. Just click on the option that says Continue with Google. Once you've clicked that, you may be prompted to select your Google account, especially if you're logged into multiple accounts on your browser. Choose the account you wish to use with Clipchamp. If you're not logged in yet, you'll have to enter your Google email and password. Remember to ensure you're connected to a secure network when signing in to keep your credentials safe. Now, once you're all signed in, you'll land on the Clipchamp dashboard. And that's it, you're done. You have successfully set up your Clipchamp account using your Google login. From this dashboard, you're free to start exploring all the features and tools that Clipchamp has to offer. Create new projects, import videos, and dive into editing to unleash your creativity. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get, and Clipchamp provides a great platform to enhance your editing skills seamlessly. So jump right in, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With every project, you'll become more proficient and confident in your video editing abilities. Thanks for joining me today on this quick guide to getting started with Clipchamp by using the Google sign-in option. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing the amazing content you'll create with Clipchamp. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy editing.